Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the lift gate. You can then unlock it by using this lever here. You can pull it out like so. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55 inches. As we make our way inside, this one is going to be a full cut conversion with the flip up seats. Now that the seats are flipped out of the way, you would be able to do two wheelchairs at the same time or set it up for a gurney. And this van here only has 56,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. Lift it up like so. Push it, make sure it's locked, and then close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 56,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.